What are you doing?
What are you doing is the question. What are you doing? What you're seeing is the original 22R part map. We built one before this, and it was basically just a bunch of branches, and that's all it really was. But this one here has been around for about 10 years. So you can see we've modified it, we've added some stuff to it. This is our pirate map. And what we're working on today is what we've been needing to do for a very long time. And what this is this is a 22R Multi-Coil kit. Modified distributor. This one's not modified yet, but we're building the actual harness for it. So we'll have the cam and crank wires, we'll have our coil brackets, and all the rest of the normal stuff that we do with all the rest of our complete harnesses. So it's exciting. We built this harness 10 years ago, probably shortly after, right about the time we built that map right there, and 11, 12 years ago. And
We worked with Nathan Griffiths to build the first harness.
put it together for a truggy, and a Formula Toy chassis, a 22R turbo deal, 4-wheel drive. And then we built the second one for Cameron Klansky. That's my boy. And built one for him with the coil bracket. And the coil bracket looked similar to this one here. 4 individual coils, bolts up here. We have a new bracket style that we're going with. We're changing up a few things, trying to make it so our breathers work good, which is a problem we have with our brown truck next door. But this is it. This is now in production. Right there, that's everything we do to build these. We're documenting it 100% so we can replicate it, and we might start putting a couple of these on the shelf. So this way we can start moving these. Everybody's been wanting it for a long time. We've been talking about it for a long time. We built it a long time ago. We reintroduced it last year at 2024 Toyota Fest, and it's just now time to get to it. So there it is. That is what we are doing. Well, guys, stay tuned. This one here is actually going to go to LC Engineering. They have a customer up there with a little red round body 22R truck. They built the 22R turbo deal. I think they're doing intercooler piping right now. The truck ultimately is going to go to Guam. I don't know what the customer's name is. We'll figure that out, probably do another video on it later. Obviously, we're going to be doing the tuning on it stuff, but he wanted to do the multi-coil kit, so here we are. Kind of forced us to push forward on this. I know you guys seen the purple truck with the coils on the top. It's pretty sexy. Let's move forward on this thing. Let's get this out there. I want to see the energy. I want to see people up there excited about it. And maybe we'll have this on a website in the next couple of weeks. That'd be awesome. You guys got any questions, concerns, anything at all? Please don't forget to ring the bell, like, subscribe, all that stalker stuff. But when you're done doing all that, reach out to us. If there's something that you want, please drop it in the comments. So stay tuned.